Welcome to your 10-minute core workout, specifically designed for men over 30. No crunches, no nonsense, just solid, low-impact moves that strengthen your abs and protect your lower back. If you're over 30 and looking to build a strong core without crunches, this is the workout for you. In this video, we'll explore the only 3 exercises you need to tackle. Belly fat, specifically for men over 30 plus. Stay tuned and watch the video till the end, because not only are we doing a killer 10-minute AB workout with 0 crunches, but I'll also share key tips and a realistic 6-pack diet that actually works for men over 30. Let's start number 1. Sprinting. Sprinting isn't just about running as fast as you can in a straight line. We're talking about anabolic sprinting or high intent. It's interval training, a method that alternates between short bursts of intense activity and brief periods of rest or lower intensity exercise. Research has shown that this form of exercise is particularly effective for men over 30 due to its ability to supercharge hormone production, especially testosterone. Higher testosterone levels not only enhance fat burning, but also contribute to increased muscle mass and overall metabolic efficiency. Additionally, sprinting induces excess post-exercise oxygen consumption, a phenomenon where your body continues to burn calories at an elevated rate even after you finished your workout. This extended calorie burn helps to further support weight loss and improve overall fitness levels exercise. Exercise number 2, mountain climber. Mountain climbers are a versatile and effective exercise for targeting multiple muscle groups, simultaneously including the core, arms, and legs. By elevating your heart rate and engaging your core muscles, mountain climbers not only promote cardiovascular health, but also contribute to increased calorie expenditure. The effect triggered by this exercise means that your metabolism remains elevated even after you've completed your workout, leading to continued calorie burn throughout the day. Additionally, mountain climbers can be modified to suit different fitness levels, making them accessible and beneficial for individuals of all ages and abilities. Exercise number 3, side plank. A side plank is an isometric bodyweight exercise that targets your obliques, transverse abdominis, glutes, and shoulder stabilizers. It's a core-strengthening movement that doesn't involve flexion of the spine, making it ideal for men over 30, especially those with lower back issues or a sedentary lifestyle. How to perform. Lie on your side with your legs extended straight and feet stacked on top of each other. Place your bottom elbow directly under your shoulder. Your forearm should be perpendicular to your body, with fingers pointing forward. Engage your core and glutes. Lift your hips off the floor until your body forms a straight line from head to heels. Keep your neck neutral. Don't let your head hang or look up. Hold this position. Breathe deeply and steadily. Start with 20 to 30 seconds per side and work your way up to 60 seconds. Exercise plays a crucial role in burning calories and shedding fat. It's equally important to pay attention to your diet to effectively lose belly fat. You need to maintain a caloric deficit, meaning you consume fewer calories than you expend, tracking your daily calorie intake and ensuring it's 500 calories lower than your daily expenditure can help you achieve a steady and sustainable weight loss. By combining regular exercise with mindful eating habits, you can optimize your body composition and achieve your fitness goals. Effectively losing belly fat can be challenging, especially as we age, but with the right exercises and dietary strategies, it's achievable. Incorporate sprinting mountain, climbers, and side plank into your workout routine. You can lose belly fat after age 50, and don't forget to monitor your calorie intake to maintain a caloric deficit. Let's discuss about some tips. Getting 6-pack abs requires more than just performing effective abs exercises. Firstly, don't train your abs every day. When you train other muscle groups, such as your legs or back, you also unconsciously engage your abdominal muscles. Also, remember that you activate your abs when you're doing exercises like squats or deadlifts, but not when you're doing machine exercises. In any case, you don't need to train the abs every day. The abdominal muscles also need a recovery after training. Abs have more slow twitch muscle fibers, which means they have a higher resistance threshold. If you give your abs enough time to regenerate, you will definitely notice results. Reducing body fat requires burning a certain number of calories. Genetics also play a role, especially at the level of body fat. Some people find it easier to lose fat while others don't. It's important that you never give up. Nutrition and abs are closely related. Of course, it's not easy to stick to a plan where you bulk up and expect your abs to become more noticeable. You can strengthen your abs during your workouts, but you've probably heard that the abs are made in the kitchen. While this works for most muscle groups, this is doubly true for the abs. In fact, most athletes follow a diet plan where they eat enough calories to stay in shape. Nevertheless, gaining mass and at the same time having shredded abs is almost impossible. Instead of reducing the amount of food you eat, it makes more sense to increase your protein intake. This will help you stay full and maintain your muscle mass. Instead of watching your carbohydrate intake, especially sugar, pay attention to the hidden calories in drinks and eat enough vegetables. As you know, the goal is to burn more calories than you consume daily. With regular protein intake, the chances of losing muscle mass are much lower, and at the same time, you will be able to burn more fat. Workouts should take 15 to 20 minutes every 2 or 3 days. Train your abdominal muscles intensively and give your body time to recover through rest and a healthy diet. By staying consistent and committed, you can say goodbye to stubborn belly fat and hello to a healthier, fitter you. That's all for today. Do you have six-pack abs? Share. It will be interesting to read. If you like this video, push the like button and subscribe to my channel.